Imagine a planet once red, now awash in vibrant green. This is Mars transformed, a place where the once barren and desolate landscape has been replaced by thriving ecosystems, teeming with life. Vast forests stretch across its surface, their leaves rustling in a gentle Martian breeze. These forests are home to a variety of plant species, each uniquely adapted to the challenging conditions of Mars. Crystal-clear rivers snake through the landscape, reflecting the azure sky. These rivers are fed by a network of underground aquifers, providing a steady supply of water to the surface, essential for sustaining life. Cities bustling with life dot the terrain. These cities are marvels of engineering, designed to sustain human life in harmony with the Martian environment, utilizing advanced technologies to create a sustainable habitat. Children laugh and play in parks, breathing freely in this new world. These parks are not just places of recreation, but also serve as vital green spaces that help maintain the planet's atmosphere, contributing to the overall ecological balance. This is not a scene from science fiction. It is a vision grounded in scientific possibility and human ingenuity, a testament to our ability to dream big and achieve the seemingly impossible. This is the potential future of Mars, a future where humanity has made another world its own, a world where we have learned to live in balance with our new environment, creating a sustainable and thriving society. The transformation of Mars from a cold, barren desert to a habitable world is a dream that has captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction writers alike. It is a vision that inspires us to push the boundaries of what is possible, to innovate and explore. It is a dream that speaks to our deepest desires as a species, to explore, to discover, and to make our mark on the cosmos, to extend the reach of humanity beyond Earth and into the stars, forging a new path for future generations. But terraforming Mars is more than just a dream. It is a complex and challenging endeavor that requires advances in technology, biology, and environmental science, demanding our best efforts and brightest minds. It is a possibility, a challenge that we may one day be capable of meeting. With determination, innovation, and a commitment to exploration, we can turn this vision into reality, creating a new home for future generations, a green Mars that stands as a beacon of human achievement. The urgency to secure a second home for humanity has never been more critical. Our planet is grappling with unprecedented and escalating challenges: climate change, resource depletion, and the relentless threat of global pandemics highlight the precariousness of our existence. The very survival of our species may hinge on our ability to find another world where we can flourish. Mars, our closest planetary neighbor, emerges as a prime candidate. Though it appears harsh and unforgiving today, Mars holds the potential for a remarkable transformation. Beneath its rusty surface lies evidence of a once warmer, wetter past, possibly even harboring life. This indicates that with the right technology and immense effort, we could awaken this sleeping giant and make it suitable for human habitation. The time to act is now. Terraforming Mars is a monumental task, requiring a multifaceted approach and a timeline spanning centuries. The vision of transforming the red planet into a habitable world is both a scientific challenge and a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. The first step is to warm the planet. This involves increasing the surface temperature to a level where liquid water can exist, which is crucial for sustaining life as we know it. Mars is currently frigid, with an average surface temperature of -63 degrees Celsius or -81 degrees Fahrenheit. The cold environment is one of the biggest hurdles in making Mars a second home for humanity. This is because its atmosphere is incredibly thin, about 1% the density of Earth's, and it lacks a substantial magnetic field to protect it from the solar wind. Without this protection, the atmosphere is continuously stripped away, making it difficult to retain heat. To thicken the atmosphere and trap heat, we would need to unleash the vast reserves of frozen carbon dioxide and water ice locked away in the Martian polar ice caps and beneath the surface. These resources are key to creating a more Earth-like environment. This could be achieved through a variety of methods. One approach involves deploying giant orbital mirrors to reflect more sunlight onto the poles, thereby increasing the temperature and causing the ice to melt. Another method is the release of super greenhouse gases, such as perfluorocarbons, into the atmosphere. These gases are far more effective than carbon dioxide at trapping heat and would significantly enhance the greenhouse effect. Additionally, nuclear-powered reactors could be used to generate heat directly on the Martian surface, while geothermal energy extraction could tap into the planet's internal heat. Advanced robotic systems would be essential for these operations, ensuring precision and safety in the harsh Martian environment. The journey to terraform Mars is long and complex, but with each step we move closer to making this dream a reality. The combination of innovative technologies and scientific advancements will be crucial in overcoming the challenges and transforming Mars into a new frontier for humanity. Thawing the ice caps would release carbon dioxide and water vapor into the atmosphere, thickening it and initiating a greenhouse effect. This would lead to rising temperatures and the melting of more ice, creating a positive feedback loop. As temperatures rise and water begins to flow, we could introduce specially engineered microorganisms to begin converting Martian soil and atmosphere into something more hospitable to Earth life. Imagine a future where Mars is teeming with life, its surface transformed into a vibrant ecosystem. While Mars' gravity is only about 38% that of Earth's, and it lacks a global magnetic field to shield it from harmful radiation, these challenges are not insurmountable. With human ingenuity and advanced technology, we can overcome these obstacles and make Mars a new frontier for exploration and habitation. The challenges involved in terraforming Mars are immense, pushing the boundaries of our current technology and understanding to their limits. One of the most daunting challenges is the sheer scale of the undertaking. It would require transporting vast amounts of material and energy to Mars, a logistical nightmare even with the most advanced future technology. Another significant challenge is the uncertainty surrounding the long-term effects of terraforming. We are essentially talking about conducting a planetary-scale experiment, and it is impossible to fully predict the consequences. We need to meticulously consider the potential risks and complexities before embarking on such an ambitious endeavor. Beyond the technological hurdles, the prospect of terraforming Mars raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. Do we possess the moral authority to alter another planet so drastically, potentially disrupting any existing Martian life, however microbial in the process? What are our responsibilities to future generations on both Earth and Mars? And how do we balance our ambitions with the sanctity of untouched worlds? These are not easy questions to answer, and they demand profound reflection and open dialogue. We must approach this endeavor with humility, recognizing that we are not conquerors of the cosmos, but rather stewards of the unknown. Our actions should be guided by a deep respect for the universe and a commitment to preserving the sanctity of life wherever we find it. The debate surrounding terraforming Mars often centers on the question of whether we should be focusing on fixing our own planet before we attempt to terraform another. Some argue that the resources and effort required for such a project would be better spent addressing the pressing issues facing Earth, such as climate change and poverty. This is a valid concern, and it highlights the importance of finding a balance between our ambitions in space and our responsibilities on Earth. However, it is important to remember that the pursuit of space exploration and the quest for solutions to Earth's problems are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they often go hand in hand. Advancements in space technology can lead to innovations that benefit Earth, such as renewable energy and sustainable living solutions. Moreover, the collaborative spirit of space exploration fosters international cooperation, which is crucial for addressing global challenges. Ultimately, the goal is to create a future where both Earth and Mars can thrive, leveraging the strengths of each to ensure the survival and prosperity of humanity. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to terraform Mars is one that will be made by future generations. This monumental choice will shape the destiny of not just one planet, but two. The implications of such a decision are vast and far-reaching, affecting everything from our technological advancements to our ethical considerations. They will inherit the legacy of our choices both on Earth and in space. The actions we take today will echo through the corridors of time, influencing the lives of those who come after us. Our stewardship of Earth and our ventures into space will serve as a blueprint for future explorers and settlers. It is our responsibility to equip them with the knowledge, the tools, and the ethical framework to make informed decisions about the future of humanity. Education and preparation are key. We must invest in the scientific research, technological innovation, and ethical discourse to ensure that future generations are well prepared for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. The journey to Mars will be long and arduous, fraught with challenges and uncertainties. From the technical difficulties of space travel to the psychological and physical demands on astronauts, the path to Mars is not an easy one. Yet it is through overcoming these obstacles that we will grow stronger and more resilient. But it is a journey worth taking. The potential rewards are immense, offering new frontiers for exploration, new resources, and new opportunities for human advancement. It is a journey that will test the limits of our ingenuity and our spirit of exploration. Our ability to innovate, to adapt, and to persevere will be put to the ultimate test as we strive to establish a foothold on the Red Planet. And who knows, it may just lead us to a future where humanity thrives on two planets, ensuring the survival of our species for generations to come. A future where the lessons learned on Mars enrich our lives on Earth, creating a legacy of exploration and discovery that will inspire countless generations.